Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good day, smart and good character student. How are you today? Hopefully you are healthy now. Yeah, in a good condition. Here I'm fine. Yeah, I'm very glad I can meet you now. Okay, in this video we will talk about chapter 2. We can do it and we will do it. We can prevent the spreading of COVID-19 and we will do anything to make COVID-19 disappear from our earth. Kita bisa melakukannya dan kita akan melakukannya. So, let's get started now. Yeah, after learning this unit or this module, you should be able to understand how to ask and state if one can or cannot do something. Use can or be able to. Ya, yang pertama ini. Jadi yang kedua ini nanti untuk the second learning activity. Yang the first, kalian diminta untuk nantinya bisa bertanya atau menyatakan jika seseorang itu bisa atau tidak bisa melakukan sesuatu menggunakan can and be able to. So what's seperti apa itu nanti? Let's continue. Yeah, in this chapter you will have two learning activity. The first one is ability and the second one is willingness. And now we will talk about ability. Yeah, this is the learning material. In ability, you can use can or be able to, and after that, to make sure that you understand our material today, we will have formative tests. Okay, are you ready to learn this material? Great, let's start it. Yeah, this is the example of the dialogue. There are two pictures here. Pay attention to the pictures, please. What picture is it? Gambar apa ya? Great. Ini ada dua perempuan. They are lifting something. Mereka sedang mengangkat sesuatu. They are lifting boxes. Now let's check out what they talk about. Mereka lagi ngobrolin apa? Okay. I need to move these boxes. Can you help me? Of course. What can I do for you? Can you lift this box to the corner? Yes, I can lift it. It's not heavy. Perhatikan ekspresi-ekspresi yang mereka gunakan ya. Yang pertama, can you help me? Bisa bantu saya? What can I do for you? Apa yang bisa saya lakukan untuk kamu? Can you lift this box to the corner? Yes, I can. Yes, I can lift it. It's not heavy. Bisa bantu pindah ini ke pojokan sana? Ya, tentu saja, karena itu tidak berat. Aku bisa mengangkatnya, tidak berat. This is the first dialogue. Pay attention to this expression. Can you help me? What can I do for you? Can you lift this box? I can lift it. Pay attention it. Okay, let's continue to the second dialogue. For the second dialogue, ini masih ada gambar. They are still lifting something. Masih dilanjutkan. Ini kayaknya benar-benar rumah ya, angkat-angkat barang banyak. It seems it's look heavier than the previous. Kelihatannya lebih berat dari yang sebelumnya, sampai mereka harus berdua mengangkatnya dan pakai bantuan seperti ini. Let's take a look to the dialogue. Can you move this desk by yourself? I can't. It's too heavy for me. Let me help you then. Okay, we can leave it together. Jadi yang pertama ini bertanya, bisa mengangkat lemari ini dengan sendirian? Gak bisa, terlalu berat untukku. Oke, kalau gitu yuk saya bantu. Oke, kita bisa mengangkatnya bersama-sama. Pay attention to the bold type ya. Yang pertama ini bertanya tadi kan ya, can you move this desk by yourself? I cannot. Kalau yang pertama tadi showing ability, menunjukkan bahwa dia bisa membantu. The second, yang kedua ini I cannot, dia tidak bisa bantu, dia tidak bisa mengangkatnya. It's too heavy, terlalu berat. So apa yang mereka lakukan? We can leave it together, diangkat bareng-bareng supaya bisa. Okay, now let's discuss about their expression that is used in the dialogue. Yeah, the first one, stating someone can do something. Yeah, okay. Stating someone can do something. Ya, ini menunjukkan bahwa seseorang itu bisa melakukan sesuatu. Yang dipakai di dialog tadi, we can leave it together, we can leave it, it's not, I can leave it, it's not easy. Ya, kita lihat polanya. Let's take a look the pattern. Subject plus can plus verb 1 plus complement. We and I itu as subject ya, and then after that we add can, kita tambahkan can-nya, and after can itu verb 1, ada live di sini, and then complement. Complement itu bisa noun, bisa juga adjective or what is it, adverb. Yeah. Okay, this is the other example. A cat can catch mouse. Monkey can climb the tree quickly. Bird can fly on the sky. Mrs. Irma can drive the car. Ya, ini subject, can, cat, monkey, bird, Mrs. Irma is there are subject. Can, after that ya, ditambah can ini, and then verb 1, catch, climb, fly, drive, ini verb 1, and then complement ya. Yang ini yang noun, mouse, and then tree, quickly, sky, car. Nah, itu adalah complementnya. Okay, next. Ya, stating someone cannot do something, ya, menunjukkan bahwa disability, seorang itu tidak bisa melakukan sesuatu. Ya, I can't, it's too heavy for me. I cannot ride motorcycle. I can't come to your party. Nah, polanya perhatikan. After subject ini ada cannot or can't ya, disingkatnya can't, or you can write it cannot ya, and then after that sama kayak yang tadi polanya, setelah can itu ada verb 1 and then complement. This is the other examples. My brother can't swim. We can't go to Watu Rumpuk this afternoon. You can't come to my school in the morning. Ya, nggak bisa datang ke sekolah karena memang pandemi ya. Jadi belajarnya study from home. Good. Okay, let's continue. To ask someone to do something. Jadi bertanya apakah seseorang itu bisa melakukan suatu. Kayak in the dialogue, can you lift this box to the corner? Can you move the desk? Can I help you? Can-nya ditaruh di depan. And then after that subject. And after that sama kayak tadi, setelah verb 1 and complement. How about if we use a question word? Bisa, tentu saja bisa digabung pakai question word and can. Kayak tadi ada pertanyaan, what can I do for you? Nah, 5W plus 1H-nya ada what, ada why, where, when, and then how. After question word, add can or cannot di sini. And after that subject, okay. And after subject, sama kayak tadi verb 1. Okay, and then after verb 1, complement. Yeah, complement. Okay, good. How about it? Have you understood? Sudah paham belum? Let's continue ya to the next expression of ability. Ya, selain pakai can, we can use be able to. Seperti apa? Let's check it out. Nah, I have a dialogue here. Ada dialog ya di sini. Ya, let me read it for you. Pay attention to the bold type ya. Perhatikan yang dicetak tebal. Excuse me, I'm curious about the result of your painting. Could I see it now? Of course. What do you think about my painting? It's wonderful. You are able to paint it amazingly. Thank you. But last month, I wasn't able to do it. Then my mother taught me some tricks. So, I'm able to paint like it now. Ya, pay attention to the bold type ya. Kita akan membahas itu. Ya, from the text above we get expression. Nah, ini ada ekspresinya. You are able to paint it amazingly. I'm able to paint like it now. Ada are able to and I'm able to ya. Nah, ini the pattern. We use is able to state about ability. So the other way to state about someone's ability, we can use be able to. Subject plus be plus able to plus complement. Nah, ini contohnya. The example. I am able to work in the rice field every day. She is able to play violin. You are able to build new house with this word ya. The subject and plus to be plus be. Be ini depend on the subject. I am, she is, and he is, it is singular using is ya. You are able ya. Kalau plural you are, they are, we are, itu pakai are ya. They, we, you ya, he, she, it, and I am. Okay, next ya. Kalau yang tadi adalah showing ability, to show disability we can use ya. I'm not able to paint like it now. Tadi yang di dialog contohnya. Ini contoh yang lain. Subject plus be plus not plus able to plus complement. The examples. Fishes are not able to fly because they don't have wings. Fishes itu nggak bisa terbang karena memang mereka tempatnya di air ya, dan mereka juga tidak punya sayap. So they are not able to fly. Mr. Abdul is not able to run now because he is sick. Pak Abdul nggak bisa lari sekarang. Kalau biasanya bisa lari, tapi sekarang dia nggak bisa lari karena dia lagi sakit kakinya ya. We are able to catch the cat. We are not able to catch the cat because it can run fast. Kita tidak bisa menangkap kucing itu karena larinya cepat ya. Nih the be, are, is, are ya. Let's continue. How this is the note. You must pay attention. To state someone's ability in the present is different within the past. Jadi berbeda antara present dan past. Yang sudah kita bahas tadi, what we have discussed itu about in the present ya, ability in the present. We use can and be-nya itu is, am, are plus able to. But in the past we use could ya. Be-nya itu was or were plus be able to ya. To make it more clearer ya, let's take a look the examples. Ini contohnya dalam tabel ini. In this column it's in present tense, and then in this column in past tense. Yang can dulu. Cat can run very fast. My elder brother cannot ride a bicycle. Nah, cannot in present tense. Different with the past tense. Mirna could do the test well yesterday. Ya, tesnya sudah kemarin. Mirna bisa melakukannya. Ya, to state it kita pakai could. Ya, the test is yesterday. My father could not repair the car by himself. Ya, ayahku nggak bisa memperbaiki mobilnya sendiri. Mungkin kemarin, mungkin seminggu yang lalu ya. Tapi sekarang bisa gitu mungkin ya. Next, be able to. Ini yang present. My sister is able to operate my laptop. Ya, is able to. My sister is. You are able to write a poem. You are able to. Yeah. Is able to and are able to. And the next, was or were plus able to. Your mother was able to cook delicious cake. They were able to dance jaipong. Oke, gimana student? Sudah paham? Kita lanjutkan ya untuk Oke student, let's start the exercise. Oke, ya. Nah, this is the first one. The first question. Mr. Smith blah 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 attend the meeting because he is sick. So, what is the correct expression to fill the blank? Can, cannot, is able, or is not able. Which one? Yang mana? Great. Let's ini dia. Mr. Smith cannot attend the meeting because he is sick. Jadi Pak Smith gak bisa datang ke rapatnya ya, ke pertemuannya karena dia sakit. Okay, let's continue. Yeah, this is number 2. A year ago, Laura blah 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 get in contact with his brother because he changed his number. So, the correct words to fill the blank is yang mana? Can't, can, couldn't, could, which one? Okay, the answer is ya, 1 tahun yang lalu Laura bla 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 tidak bisa menghubungi saudaranya karena dia merubah nomornya. Ya, negatif ya. We have two negative here, can't or couldn't. Yang mana? Pay attention to a year ago. Ya, so this is past. Jadi tidak bisa menghubunginya 1 tahun yang lalu. Bisa jadi sekarang sudah bisa dihubungi karena sudah punya nomornya. Tapi 1 tahun yang lalu, a year ago. Nah, Laura, great. So this is the answer. A year ago, Laura couldn't get in contact with his brother because he changed his number. Setahun yang lalu, Laura itu tidak bisa menghubungi saudaranya karena dia mengganti nomornya. Okay, good. Let's continue. Yeah, this is number 3. Yeah, Donnie said, we will have long trip, so we must go early in the morning. Blah blah blah. And then Johan answered, I'm not sure. I will ask my mom to wake me up at 4 a.m. Yeah. So, what is the correct expression to fill the blank? Doni bilang tadi, kita besok itu akan punya perjalanan yang panjang. Jadi perginya atau berangkatnya itu harus pagi-pagi sekali, ya. And then Johan menjawab, saya nggak yakin. Tapi dia akan meminta ibunya untuk membangunkannya jam 4 pagi. Ya, so can you go earlier? Bisa kita pergi lebih pagi atau lebih awal? Bisa kamu bangun lebih awal? Can I do it earlier? Bisa aku melakukannya lebih awal? Or can I get up earlier? Okay, Doni meminta Johan ya. So, what is the answer? Wait, ya. Can you get up earlier? Ya, ini ada hubungannya dengan ini. Si Johan tadi minta momnya to wake me up, ya, membangunkan. Nah, ini jadi Doni tanya, bisa bangun ya, get up earlier, ya, lebih awal. Makanya dia meminta mom untuk wake up at 4 p.m. Okay, great. Let's continue. Ya, this is number 4. Hasan asks Cindy ya. Hasan bertanya sama Cindy, can you paint a real object? Ya, Cindy ini pintar lukis, tapi Hasan bertanya, can you paint real object? Ya, menggambar objek yang asli. Jadi bukan imajinasi. And then Cindy answer, but not very good, but not very good, blah blah blah, but not very good. Yeah, so it's the correct expression to fill the blank. No, not, yes, or not at all. Kalau dia bilang bla 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 tapi tidak terlalu bagus, kira-kira bisa atau tidak bisa? A, B, C, or D? Great, ya. Dia bisa menggambar tapi but not very good. Yeah. Let's continue. Yeah. This is the last number. Agus said, "It's too dark here. Blah 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 the lamp." And then Dimas answered, "Of course, but I cannot find the switch." The correct expression to fill the blank is, tadi Agus bilang, di sini kok gelap sekali ya, bla 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 lampunya. Dan Dimas, tentu saja, tapi saya tidak bisa menemukan saklarnya ya. So, apa yang diminta Agus ke Dimas? Can you turn on the lamp? Can you turn off the lamp? Can you find the lamp? Can you show me the lamp? Oke, yang mana? This is no, bukan itu jawabannya. No. Yeah. Can you turn on the lamp? Okay, student, I hope you have understood what we are talking about today about showing ability, and you can use it to show ability or asking ability, to show that you can or cannot do something, or ask if someone can and cannot do something. Okay, good and smart student. We come to the end of our session. I'm so sorry for making mistake. See you on other learning material. Goodbye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.